All right, today I got a special treat. I just got done servicing this 1968 Super Reverb. Um, I love this amp. I wish I could buy it. The customers had it in, I guess, in storage or had it in a closet for, I think he said maybe the last 25, 30 years, whatever. So I've cleaned it up a little bit, or a lot. Besides upgrading all the main filter caps, cathode caps, out of spec resistors, and just some maintenance that needed to be done with screen grid resistors, and also in the bias supply, change all those caps. The great thing about this amp was it never been touched. It had original cord. Everything in there was original. The filter caps were, some of them were physically, you could tell that they were starting to, on the verge of bulging a little bit, starting to leak a little bit. The amp sounded pretty dang good, I thought, just as it was. But so this will make it safer with the new 3-prong cord, and also I've got it wired to modern day specs, going to the fuse first and to the switch. So yeah. I bypassed the grounding flip switch. No need for that since it's a 3-prong, and just did some maintenance on it. The amp sounds great. I think it's CTS speakers that are original to this amp. I think one of the speakers is got some voice coil rub to it. Honestly, if the guy's going to sell this amp, I think it would probably be better to leave it as is. Let somebody else who's going to buy this decide what they want to do with it, because somebody could actually maybe get that reconed if they want to keep it all original, or if they want to get rid of all those speakers. I don't know, but it sounds good, other than the fact that the one speaker, and I think it's on the top right hand side. But anyways, yeah, so I'll give it a sound demo. I'm thrilled to be able to have this amp and work on it. It was very, the inside was just, like I said, it had been untouched, super clean. That's what you want to see. And I gave it good stuff. I gave it good German F&T filter caps, and with the cathode caps on there as well, and resistors, use some good Vichy resistors on those screen grid resistors and stuff. So yeah, it turned out great, and so I'm going to return it today, but I want to do a little sound demo and play through it a little bit and enjoy it before I have to return it. So anyways, hope you enjoy it. If you like this kind of stuff, you see maybe my other videos, love doing this kind of stuff. I've been doing a lot of repairs here lately for customers, so I haven't had a lot of time to upload videos. But anyways, like I said, hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and hopefully I'll get some more videos up here soon posted. So yeah, so switch is off, trebles at 6, middle is at 5, bass is on 5, reverb and everything set, and the tremolo, vibrato, I've got the foot switch over here. I'll kick them on in a minute, but yeah, we'll just play it. Today I'm using my SG standard instead of the usual Les Paul that I have out here in the garage, so I'm taking in some service on that. But anyways, yeah, I'm running on the Variac at 110 volts, and I've got the fan running in the background, and so here's wide open, really super quiet. And this house is not. It's got that old wiring, and it a lot to be desired for on the wiring scheme in this old house. But anyways, yeah, amp is super quiet. So I'll kick on some reverb. So good. Yeah, definitely. Let's play some of the neck pickup. let's get this thing cooking here. All right, there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe.